today I have changed my environment a bit. You can see I'm seated on a wooden chair that was made by the best carpenter in Limuru. So the story behind the chair is quite interesting. So when I got to uni, I never had a chair and a desk to study on because I thought studying was important in uni. So I called my mom. Hello mom, I need a chair and I need a desk for studying on. So my mom says, it's okay, you go look for a chair and a table. So I go look for a table. The wooden one cost 1,000 shillings, so I get that one. And then when it reaches to the chair, I say I need the office chair. It went for around 6,000 Kenya shillings. Some went for around 7,000 and another one went for 10,000. So my mom just tells me, a student doesn't need to be that comfortable. You get any chair that you can sit on and you'll feel at least you're in a good environment and then you can study. So she told me, go to the carpenter and ask him or her to make you a chair. So I go to the carpenter and the carpenter charges 1,000 shillings for this chair that I sat on for 4 years in uni, and I was able to do very well. Anyway, what I'm driving at with this story is the only way you can make wealth in this world is through addition of value to yourself. What do I mean? Look at somebody like Jeff Bezos. He started with selling books online, so he understood the e-commerce industry, so he understood everything with selling online, and he ended up creating Amazon, which has earned its stock up, its value has gone up, and has made him a billionaire. Look at someone like Elon Musk. Elon Musk says he knows more on manufacturing than anyone who is alive, so that has given him Tesla, which has made him a billionaire. So even for you, you just need to add value to yourself and value to your business, because even in business it's learning every day. So there's a website that you can learn everything that you need, from DJing, from philosophy, psychology, crypto, blockchain, tech, anything. You can learn anything on this website. So go check out learn.uno and you'll be able to study anything that you need. So check out the website, and for this and more, please follow and like. Bye bye.